KSLA News 12 starts now with breaking news.
Thank you for joining us this evening. I'm Jessie Duncan, and we start with breaking news happening within the last hour. Louisiana Supreme Court denied to issue a stay of execution for Jessie Hoffman. And now, in just over an hour, Hoffman is set to become the first person executed in Louisiana since 2010, and the first by nitrogen hypoxia. Now, it was just hours ago when a judge who put the execution on hold ended his temporary restraining order, allowing the death to move forward. Now, Hoffman is set to die by nitrogen hypoxia, and it is where a person suffocates by breathing in nitrogen gas. Now, Hoffman's attorneys have argued that this method violates his religious freedom, saying he can't do meditative breathing during that execution.
I thought in Louisiana we valued the right to practice your religion, and at no time is more important than at the time of your death, your last rites. I thought wrong. Louisiana threw up these procedural roadblocks. This is a moral issue, and Judge Moore could have ruled consistent with Mr. Hoffman's right to practice his religion, and Judge Moore chose to go with the state's procedural objection.
And tonight, people are protesting outside of the Louisiana State Penitentiary at Angola, voicing concerns over what they say is the horrible death caused by nitrogen gas. So joining us right now, we have Terrence Wynn, a former state inmate who is now a prison reform advocate. So Terrence, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Now, you are on your way to Angola right now to join in on that protest. Can you share your thoughts with us?
My thoughts are, no, Mr. Hoffman isn't opposed to dying for his crimes. But I think the dignity of it would be to allow him to die in a more, I guess, the same way. If that's, you can play sanity with you choosing the way that you die. He just want to have that right. Just to let me choose another way to die so that he could equal up to my religious beliefs.
Now, you are going down there right now to join in with the protest. There's expected to be several hundreds, potentially a large crowd out there protesting on behalf of Mr. Hoffman. But what is the message that you and the others want to convey to state and prison officials?
I think alternatives. Just come up, a person get found guilty by a jury of his peers, and they say, give him death. Give him an alternative. All right, how do you want to die? I guess that would be a better message than just saying, you're going to die in this manner. And most people will probably say, well, he didn't give his victim a way to die. He didn't give him a choice, so why should he have a choice? Which is a good argument. But if we say we're better than the person who committed the crime, let's show that we're better than that person by giving them a choice, because they're going to ultimately die at the hands of the state.
Now, Terrence, you were telling us that you are not far away from Angola right now, and you are returning. You're coming at this with a very unique perspective, and you're going out there to be an advocate and to be a voice tonight.
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually, I'm real close to it right now.
So we'll be checking in with you throughout the evening. Of course, we wish you safe travels, but thank you so much for joining us and sharing your thoughts and sharing your time with us. We will have continuing coverage on tonight's planned execution of Jessie Hoffman on our KSLA News 12 app, and you'll find more coverage on our website, ksla.com.